No? Okay. Cool. Love that for you guys. I am a little bit Italian. It's just because I've got the tan coming in, the summer tan. I'm Italian, Russian, and German mostly, but I was born in the US, obviously. Yeah, a little nice mix. I feel like I get told a lot that I can pass for other things. Especially because my last name is like kind of Spanish-ish more than Italian, I'd say. You know, I don't want to cook for anyone other than myself right now. Sometimes it just gets so old having to cook for yourself every day. I get tired of it. I like to bake, so I have a friend that's bringing me to the airport on Thursday. So making them brownies. Not to meet with the Island Man. No, I don't think so. I don't want an Island Man. Ow. I need to use this olive oil that my landlord gave me before I move out. I'll feel bad if I have to throw it out. I think it's their like olive oil that they need. No. Ugh. I really wish I had somebody to just wash my dishes for me.